What's up everyone? In this video I want to talk about a beautiful day trade we caught on SPY inside Team Bull, give you the reasoning behind my entry, where I entered at. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. First off, I want to point out where we opened on the 5-minute chart here. I'm watching SPY and SPX. So this is a 5-minute opening candle here on SPX, and this is a 5-minute opening candle on SPY. So first off, we opened, I seen we're right at this 4,000 area. I said, okay, I want to see what we do here. We opened above prior day close on SPY and SPX. We had relative strength compared to yesterday. I said, okay, if we can reclaim this 4,000 on SPX, which is a whole psychological number / support or resistance, depending if we're above or below it. But so I said, okay, this looks good. I said, this is worth trying if we can reclaim that 4,000 SPX. We reclaimed it. I took the 400 call options for this trade. It went from about 115, 117 per contract to about 190, which is a really nice trade. I see people trying to hold out for these huge home run trades all the time, and it's just not going to happen every trade. If you want to catch additional gains, how you do that is you trim your position on the way up, and you leave runners to catch additional gains after you've already locked in profits. Best case scenario, them runners keep running for additional gains. Worst case, you stop out at your entry price or a little bit in the profits. Be sure you set that stop loss after you've trimmed and you just have runners remaining. You do not want to be giving back profits. It's just something I don't like to do, and if it's worked for me this far, that's what I'm going to continue doing. I want to point out my reject level was at 401 on SPY. Yes, it would have worked. No, I didn't take it because I already had one nice trade and we had that 4,000 on SPX not far below. But Nate called this out inside Team Bull. I'm going to talk about 3 winning trades called out today. Nate called this out, got in right at the top of this candle. Caught this move here back down, contracts exploded. Then at the bottom, Savage said, I'm trying calls at 4,000 on SPX. And he actually posted he was in at 3,998, and you can see the movement we're getting here. 3 winning trades this morning, right at a perfect morning. Very happy with the trades inside Team Bull this morning. But that's all I have for you all. Hope this helped you. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.